Hi, my name is Adrian Bogdan. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Khamelia Software. We are a Folsom, California-based company. And for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started for free with Khamelia. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. Normally I use Chrome or Firefox, but for this tutorial, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. So we're going to start off by clicking on Get Started for Free button in the top right bar. So now we're going to create a new account. I'm going to use one of my demo accounts. So I have written the end user agreements. I have reviewed them, so I know what they are. So I'm just going to click on I accept the terms and conditions. But I do suggest that you read them completely so you understand what the end user agreement is. So I'm going to click on I accept, and then I'm going to click on I agree button. Now I'm going to put in my email address, phone number, company, first name and last name. Again, I'm going to use one of my demo accounts since my adrian.bogdan@khamelia.com account is used for our corporate um, setup, for a corporate account. Now I'm going to click next. We do have strong password suggestions, and the requirements. It has to meet a certain threshold, security threshold. Now you see that the applications are being built on the Microsoft Azure instance. So that's what you just saw. And now I'm going to verify my email. So I'm going to go to my other computer and confirm my email address. Okay, I got the email address. And I got the email, and now I'm confirming. I'm going to put in my password. And I'm going to click on sign in. Now you can select if it's a company or commercial use, if it's for personal or non-commercial use, or for both. For personal use, it's for projects around the house, or if you have a bigger project such as building your own tool shed, or building your house, or remodeling your kitchen, you can use Khamelia for that as well. So you can use it for your own personal home projects, or you could use it for your company or commercial use. I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to put in the company type. So I'm going to say corporation. And then I'm going to say construction for the industry. Click next. Now I can invite a user from here. I can click on invite user, and I will be able to send an email to a coworker or to a business partner and invite them to use my Khamelia account. I will talk about this a little bit later in another demo and another tutorial, where within the system you can also do this as well. Once you create your account within the system, you can do this as well. So you can say administrator, standard, or guest access. Of course, there's limitations on access based on what you select. But for this time, let's just cancel and click on finish. And this is the window that you see when you log into Khamelia. This is the sign in window. So when you log into Khamelia, this is the window you see, and then you can start your navigation from here. You can start your navigation on the left side, or click on create your first project, or create a new task, or start tracking your time, and then establishing your team for your organization. We do have the help center that has a lot of information and instructions. And for this account, this is a 30-day, this is a free account. So as long as you stay active every 30 days, you will not be deleted. But if you are not active within 30 days, we will archive it and then we will delete it.